Hello everyone and welcome to my class. If you feel it's so difficult to write a good paragraph because you can't get ideas or sentences about the topic of it, then this video is for you. Watch this video to the end and you will find it a piece of cake. Let's get started. A paragraph is a group of sentences that are talking about one main idea and are connected to each others. So, in this video, you will learn how to get a lot of ideas and sentences to write a good paragraph. The easiest way to get ideas and sentences about any topic of a paragraph is to answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the topic of the paragraph itself? So, the first sentence introduces the topic itself. You could write a general idea about the topic. For example, if the topic is about a sports event, you could say, "There is an important sports event in my city these days." Also, you can write how important it is. For example, energy is very important in our lives. Question number 2. When did it happen? Or when will it happen? So, in this second sentence, you mention the time of the situation or the occasion required in the paragraph. For example, I went to watch the competition yesterday, but this question is optional. Why? Because sometimes the topic doesn't require to mention the time. For example, if the paragraph is about energy, in this case, there is no time to be mentioned. But somehow, you can connect the sentence with a time. Let me give you an example to make it more clear. I learned the source of energy when I was in primary 3. Here, I mentioned the time, although there is no need to mention it. You can use this way when only you don't have enough sentences to complete the paragraph. But do not write this kind of sentences if you don't have to. By the way, you can use any tense as you like. But in case of using a particular tense, you will continue the paragraph with the same tense. Question number 3. Who are the people that were with you in this situation? If the paragraph is about a situation that involves a group of people with you, like a journey, a holiday, a ceremony, in this case, you will mention those people. For example, I went to the sports event with my family. Also, this sentence is optional according to the topic of the paragraph. Now we have almost 3 sentences. Sentence number 1, introducing the topic, saying what it is or how important it is. Sentence number 2, mentioning the time of the situation. Sentence number 3, saying who are the people with you in this situation. This was about the first part of the paragraph. Now, let's talk about the second part of the paragraph, but after the break. The second part of a paragraph is the biggest part that consists of 3 or 4 sentences, and we call it the body of the paragraph. In this part, we can answer one or more of these questions. Give more information about the topic. Give some examples to clarify the topic, or why is it important? So, in this part, we can write more detailed information and more examples about the topic to clarify the point or saying why it is important. An example about energy. We can get energy from the sun, the wind, and from flowing water. Energy is important to run the machines. People need energy to move. Another example about a birthday party. There were many people in the party. I saw most of my friends there. We laughed, sang, and danced a lot. There were many presents and balloons. We ate delicious cakes. Now we reached the third part of the paragraph, where we could summarize the whole paragraph in only 1 or 2 sentences. These sentences are the answer of the questions: what's your opinion about the topic? What do you feel towards it? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? We almost use this part to mention our opinion about that topic, or we describe our feelings towards it. For example, the party was fantastic. I extremely enjoyed it.
Now let's look at the example paragraphs as a whole and how it's done.
Number 1. Birthday party. I went to my friend's birthday party yesterday. I went there with my elder sister. There were a lot of people. I saw most of my friends there. We laughed, sang, and ate delicious cakes. There were many presents and balloons. The party was fantastic. I extremely enjoyed it. The second example. Energy is very important in our life. We can get energy from the sun, the wind, and from flowing water. Energy is important to run the machines. People need energy to move. In my opinion, we have to save energy. Our country must develop its sources. Try to practice other different kinds of topics using this way I have explained. If you want me to explain more paragraphs about other topics in details, write to me in the comments. What topic do you want me to explain and which grade you are in? This is my first video, so your opinions are important for me. Send your opinions about the content. Now I have finished the video of today. I hope you all benefited from this video. Goodbye.